For my instructional design project, I decided to design a library orientation. Over the summer, I received a position as a school media specialist at a local middle school. One of the first things that I'm going to have to do as a school media specialist is to orient my students to the library. So this gave me an opportunity to really think about the things that I wanted them to know and the procedures that I wanted to teach them at the beginning of the school year. At the library where I will be working, we have 1,200 students in grades 6 through 8. Because we have so many students, it was important to design a short presentation that can be shown in the reading classes the first week of school that will allow the students to go ahead and start coming into the library and check out books. After that, I designed an in-class orientation where reading teachers will be able to bring their students into the library. That way we can take a more in-depth look at the library and its resources. During this in-class session, first I'm going to start talking about why it is important to read. Then I will be talking about the library procedures. For example, I will be addressing how many books can you check out, for how long can you check them out, and where do you go to check out the library books, and what do you need in order to check out the library books, and also where do you return the books once you're done with them. Those are all the things that will be covered in the library procedures. Next, during the in-class session, I will be talking about the library rules. The rules focus around the word respect. The first rule is respect yourself and others, respect your environment, and also respect learning. If someone is in the library taking a test, you need to respect that and be quiet whenever you come in. Then we will be talking about the location of the library resources. I will be showing the students where they can find all the different resources that they may need. And then at the end, the students will be given a scavenger hunt where they can practice finding the resources themselves. There are several key objectives that I want the students to learn when going through the orientation. First, students will learn the behavioral expectations while in the Media Center and the consequences that they will have if the expectations are not met. Second, students will be able to navigate the online catalog. Third, students will develop skills needed to be able to locate library resources. And fourth, students will learn procedures for borrowing books from the library. I learned a lot while completing the instructional design project. I learned about the process of developing a good plan and also developing some follow-through activities and an evaluation process that will help me determine the effectiveness of the instructional design. I also learned a lot about the library I'm going to be moving into this fall. This project helped me take a detailed look at my library orientation and prioritize what is most important and what my students need to learn first. It also helped me take a good look at the library resources available to the students and also the library resources available to me. It also helped me consider the procedures that I want the students to follow throughout the school year. This project helped me put a plan into action that I will use the first week of school, and it will continue to be used throughout the entire school year.